When it's time to remove old or broken appliances from your home, whether due to an upgrade, renovation, or simply needing a change, it's essential to follow the right steps to ensure a smooth, safe, and efficient removal process. Austin, known for its vibrant lifestyle and eco-conscious community, provides residents with many options for appliance removal, from professional services to eco-friendly disposal solutions. To help you get ready for the task at hand, here are some best practices for preparing your appliances for removal in Austin. Research local regulations and disposal options. Austin has several regulations when it comes to the removal and disposal of large appliances, particularly those that contain hazardous materials like refrigerators and air conditioners. It's essential to do your homework on local laws before starting the removal process. In Austin, certain appliances may require special disposal methods due to the environmental impact of components like refrigerants. You can find out more through the city's waste management programs or by visiting the Austin Resource Recovery website. It's worth noting that Austin encourages residents to recycle and dispose of appliances in an eco-friendly manner, so opt for a service that aligns with these green initiatives. Disconnect and prepare appliances properly. Before your appliances are picked up, ensure they are disconnected and prepared for removal. Here are some steps to follow for major appliances. Refrigerators and freezers. Unplug your fridge or freezer at least 24 hours before the removal service arrives to allow it to defrost completely. This will prevent any water from leaking during the removal process. If you have any perishable items left, be sure to either consume or relocate them beforehand. Washing machines and dryers. Disconnect hoses from washing machines and dryers, ensuring no water remains inside. If possible, tilt the machines slightly to drain any residual water that might have been left behind. Dishwashers. Turn off the water supply to your dishwasher and disconnect the drain hose. It's also a good idea to remove any leftover dishes or utensils from inside. Ovens and stoves. For electric ovens and stoves, unplug them from the outlet. If you have a gas stove, ensure the gas supply is turned off by a licensed professional to avoid any safety risks. Proper preparation prevents damage during the removal process and helps ensure that your appliances can be efficiently transported by the removal team. Clean and empty the appliances. For safety and hygiene reasons, cleaning your appliances before removal is crucial. Empty out any remaining food, dishes, or laundry. Also, clean any grime, dirt, or food remnants, particularly in refrigerators or microwaves, to avoid unwanted odors and messes during transportation. Some removal services may charge extra for cleaning services if the appliance is too dirty or hazardous to handle. Measure the space for easy removal. Once your appliances are disconnected, measure doorways, staircases, or hallways to ensure that the removal team can easily navigate and remove your items. If you have large appliances that are difficult to maneuver, it's a good idea to clear the space around them to provide a smooth path for the removal team. Make sure any furniture, rugs, or obstacles are moved out of the way to avoid accidental damage during removal. Choose a reputable appliance removal service. Austin is home to numerous removal services, so choosing the right one is essential for a hassle-free experience. Look for a reputable service that specializes in appliance removal and disposal. Some services in Austin also offer eco-friendly disposal options, such as recycling your old appliances or donating them to local charities. When selecting a removal service, it's crucial to check customer reviews, ask about their pricing, and inquire about any additional fees for handling large or bulky items. A professional team will ensure that your appliances are disposed of properly, whether by recycling, reselling, or donating them, and will minimize the environmental impact. Consider donation or recycling. Before opting for disposal, consider whether your appliances can be donated or recycled. Many organizations in Austin accept gently used appliances, and donations are often tax-deductible. Austin also offers appliance recycling programs through which old refrigerators, freezers, and other large appliances can be recycled for free. This not only helps reduce waste but also aligns with Austin's eco-friendly goals. Check for any hidden fees. Finally, make sure to clarify any potential hidden fees with your removal service, such as charges for extra handling or transportation for particularly large appliances. Understanding the pricing structure in advance can help prevent unexpected costs and ensure that your appliance removal stays within your budget. Conclusion: preparing your appliances for removal in Austin doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these best practices, from researching disposal regulations and disconnecting appliances to choosing a professional service and considering eco-friendly disposal options, you can ensure a smooth, efficient, and environmentally responsible removal process. Whether you're replacing an old refrigerator or simply decluttering, these simple steps will help you get the job done with ease, keeping your space clean and your appliances disposed of responsibly.